Good morning, Tennessee. This is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm here on an 11 and 12 roof, 3-tab asphalt shingle. It has had the north face redone at some point with charcoal 3-tab, while the south side has the estate gray. Sometimes this will happen because this is the side that gets beat up the most. As you can see that the pipe is lifted over there from the wind, even though the south side is aged a little more. We have some signs of wind damage. This is the older side. 3-tab shingles are subject to wind damage. Got a couple that are stressed right there. Yep, that one has been lifted. Some that have come off. This roof, even though the shingles are stiff, probably has a couple years of life left in it, but they are very stiff. So probably advise 1 to 2 years of life, maybe 3. It has excellent pitch. You can get away with it sometimes. But ultimately, this roof is ready to be re-roofed. It's just a budgetary item at this point. And fortunately, this owner will have the option to choose, do I roof now for lower prices with inflation coming and raising prices, or do I wait? And if the budget isn't right, you can always wait. But that re-roof is coming. So in this case, I'm gonna advise for either both. Repair the missing shingles and the damaged shingles, or provide a bid for a re-roof. Looks like the garage has been re-roofed at some point recently. That has newer estate gray with the ridge cap, whereas we do not have the ridge cap on this portion. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD. Enjoying roofing every day. I love my job. I love my work. I love Tennessee. Have a good one, everyone.